Hello student, welcome back to my channel. So earlier we already know how to solve the sum of a fraction. So we already learned it. If you have not watched it yet, then please go check it out on my channel. So now today let's understand the basics. Why do we actually add fractions in this way? So now what is a fraction? A fraction simply means numerator divided by denominator, right? A fraction simply means numerator divided by denominator. So for example, if I say write 5 as a fraction, we can write 5 divided by 1 because when you multiply or divide any number by 1, the number stays the same. So 5 is 5 divided by 1. You can write 7 as a fraction, 7 divided by 1. Right? So that's why when we add 5 plus 7, we get the result 12 because the denominator is already same. The denominator for these two numbers is already same. Why? So that's why when we add a fraction, the denominator must be same. If the denominators are not same, then first step should be you have to equal the denominator. Then we can add the fraction. This is the basic rule to add or subtract fractions. Let's try to solve this fraction through the basic concept. So here as you can see 3 and 9, the denominators. And both the denominators are not same. Now first step you have to equal the denominator. Now you can see if we multiply this denominator with 3, we get the second denominator 9. So this is the easy step. So we have to multiply the first denominator with 3. So let's multiply it. So 1 into 3 divided by 3 into 3. Now why multiply both numerator and denominator? Because if we change only the denominator side or only the numerator side, the value of the fraction changed. So multiplying both sides keeps the value of the fraction same, but the changes in the form. Now I already uploaded a video regarding it. This is called equivalent fraction. If we multiply or divide a fraction's numerator and denominator with the same number, it's called equivalent fraction. In this process, the value of the fraction is same, only the form is changed. So here the form changed to 3 divided by 9 from 1 divided by 3. Now we can add plus 2 by 9. Here you can see the denominators are same. So we can add the numerator 3 plus 2 and we get 5 divided by 9. So that's the answer of the addition of this fraction. So that's the basic idea. But when we solve it in an exam, then we will calculate the LCM, lowest common multiple. And how can we solve this fraction with calculate LCM? I already uploaded the source. You can watch it. So this is the basics of solving fractions, sum or subtraction. So I hope you like this class. If you like this class, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you on next video. Bye.